Hey everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be testing out the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills what is this called? Brow Freeze Styling Wax. So this is what she looks like, just a clear wax. Super interested to see how this is going to work because obviously I have pretty big bushy brows. So yeah, I'm very intrigued about this product. Firstly, before we dive into that, I just want to say, yes, I'm aware I have a face demon just here, so apologies. And also too, my nails look absolutely horrific right now, so just do your best to ignore all of those points and let's just dive straight into this video. Okay, so I've got nothing on my face right now. Actually, no, I do have a little bit of primer, but aside from that, I have nothing on my skin. So I've just got this spoolie brush ready to go, and based on everything I saw online, you basically just dip this in and brush up. So I don't know if I'm taking enough product, but I guess time will tell. This is how much I've got on there, not that you can really see, but that's how much we're using right now. So let's just go ahead and see how this works. I'm super curious. So I think that the idea of this is to give you that like really lovely like laminated eyebrow effect without it feeling like you've got glue running through your brows sort of thing. So, whoa, okay, straight away I can see that, very good. Just gonna keep brushing this through. I have no idea, like, am I doing it right? Is that, wow. That actually looks kind of cool. All right. Laminated brows at home, apparently. So I am now just going to take this spoolie and just sort of try and give it a little bit more of a defined shape, if you will. I don't know if I can actually properly do that, but let's just go for it. Oh, so professional. What do you guys think? So obviously that is my brow without any product. That is the brow with the product. I don't know. I'm kind of here for it. I think I really like, yes, that is a lash on the back of my mirror. Very good. Far out. I quite like how this looks. I'm not going to lie. All right, let's go ahead and do the other brow just to make her look nice and even. What do you guys think of this kind of product? I'm curious. Have you guys tried brow soap and stuff like that in the past? I honestly, personally, for me, I've never experimented with brow soap or anything like that before. I don't know why, I just never have. And then when I saw this advertised, I was like, oh, that looks like a good time. I really liked the fact that it said, like, the way that it was advertised was to suggest that you're not going to be left with this weird glued, sticky feeling after using the product. So I really liked the idea of that, and we'll see whether that is the case, I suppose, very shortly. But it definitely does a great job with just like lifting all the hairs, that's for sure. Okay, and then I'm just gonna sort of take the edge a bit just to sort of give it a little bit of shape and bring it down this way a little bit. Sort of feel like I need to sharpen this side a bit more. Okay, so that is the product all applied. That is super duper interesting, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't feel like it, honestly, it doesn't feel tacky or weird or anything like that. And it really is doing a great job at keeping them up, like the hairs up, that's for sure. What I want to do now though, I might just give it a second to sort of dry down a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is go in with a brow pencil and just fill them in a little bit more and see how it looks. Okay, so they've started to dry down a bit now, which is great. So I'm going to go in with this eyebrow pencil. This is by the brand Real Her, and I really like it because it's got a really fine tip. And yeah, I got it in like, I think I got it in a BoxyCharm, something like that, but I quite like it just because of how tiny it is, and you can really get those sort of those strokes happening. So I like that a lot. Just gonna go back in using the same brush I used before just to sort of help distribute this brow product a bit better. I definitely feel by like lifting the hairs up, you can really see the gaps a lot easier in your brow, like where you need to fill in. So that's quite good. And I'm really only doing very small strokes. So you guys can definitely see the difference between the two brows, that's for sure. I honestly don't mind it with no product at all running through it. I actually think that that looks just fine as well. But I do just want to make it look a little bit fuller. Okay, so now it's definitely, now I can really feel it drying down, but obviously I feel like you can see a huge difference from, you know, where we started to where we are right now. I don't know, maybe I just used maybe the brow product I used was a little bit too dark, but then again, when I go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, it probably won't be. So yeah, it does feel super interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't know how I feel about it just yet. So I think what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm going to jump off of camera, finish the rest of my makeup, come back and tell you how it feels once all my other makeup has been applied. And we are back. My full face is done, and don't worry, I did film it, so if you guys are vibing this look, I will have it already posted on my channel potentially, and if not, very soon after this video it will be up. But yeah, what do you guys think? I'm so blown away by this product. Like, oh my goodness. I love how my brows are looking. I love how they're looking, you know, once I've got all my other foundation and makeup done. Basically, I think that it looks so fantastic. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky or weird. It definitely, the product has well and truly dried down now, and my hairs are still sitting in place beautifully. So I have to say, I am so impressed by this product, guys. I was not anticipating liking it as much as what I am, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be incorporating this in my everyday makeup routine from now on. I'm just absolutely blown away with how good my brows are looking from just simply using this product. Like, blown away. So yes, that is my thoughts on that one. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've got this product, what you think of it, and what you think of how my own personal brows turned out. If you like them, if you don't like them, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate all your love and support on this channel. It does mean the absolute world to me. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and leave me some kind of comment down below. Whatever you want to leave me would be great. I love to interact with you guys. So yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.